Hey friends, it's Rachel with the Ponds Farmhouse, and I'm here today with another Valentine's Day tutorial for you. What we're going to be making today is some wooden hearts that we're going to be putting on a stand. These are some DollarTree hearts that I picked up, and they're just a cute little size. What we're going to be doing with these is we're going to be covering them with some old book pages to give them a really rustic look. We're going to be making little stands for them so that they can stand up, and we're going to have them in varying heights, so it's going to be a really cute little display. One of the first things that you want to do is go ahead and get you some of the little dowel rods. These are 3/16 of an inch, and they're going to be perfect for the size of the thickness of these little hearts. What I've done is I've got my little trusty cordless drill here with a 3/16 of an inch drill bit in it. And we did this outside, so they've already been done, but what we did is we just took and put the drill bit right on the very tip end and drilled down just maybe 1/4 of an inch into the wood and made a little hole here so that we can attach the dowel rods to it. The other thing that we've done is we went ahead and got some old book pages, and I have traced the design of these hearts onto the book page, and we're going to be cutting these out. We're going to be covering both front and back sides of the hearts because I'm going to be using these on a coffee table arrangement, so we want it to be beautiful from front and back. And so I'm going to put the camera down so you can see a little bit more easily how we're going to do this. And then we're going to be getting this whole thing put together, and you'll see how cute it turns out. So let's get started. Okay, and in addition to the book page hearts that we're going to be decoupaging onto the wooden DollarTree hearts, you can personalize your hearts. And I'm actually going to be adding some pictures of our little dog Rudy onto a couple of the hearts. And so all I did was just print this out on regular paper, and I'll show you how we're going to attach it to the wooden hearts. Now the last thing we're going to do is we've actually taken the dowel rod and we've actually put it inside the little base, and it's really secure in there. And we want to go ahead and add our little hearts to these. I've done the sticks in 3 different heights So they're varying in height so that they'll look really pretty when you group them together. What we want to do here is just add a little bit of glue to the end of the stick so that it will stay steady on here and not fall off. And so got a little bit on there. We're going to put our dowel rod into that glue. If you see a lot of excess, you probably want to wipe it off a little bit. Got just a little bit more than we needed. And then you just want to make sure that it's on there really good and straight the way you want it. And then we're just going to leave it setting there and let it dry. And then we're going to group them all together and let you see what they look like.